Let's move our bodies. We're going to do some nice light stretching today. Just a gentle flow. Let's get warmed up here. Simple march. Swing those arms. I think today is a moving meditation. How do we bring all of our presence, all of our awareness into each moment? Encourage a little bit more physical activity throughout the day, but more importantly, bringing all of our attention to each moment, just filled with gratitude. No matter what obstacles, challenges we face, bring it on. Just some nice stretching. Let's do that right now as we come into a twist. Keep your arms up, elbows high. So we're getting the upper back as well as the entirety of the spine. Nice twist. Get the feet moving also. Just warming up the body. Already come into some arm circles. Going forward. Oh yeah, get some heat in those shoulders and back. Shake them out. Oh, really exaggerated. Step march. Feel it in your hips, creating some mobility. Bring your breath into each movement. We're so connected. See each movement with awe. We don't need more information. Movement is amazing. You know that. I know that. Breathing, I think we can all agree, is pretty good. But if we did it so consciously, so aware. Come up on your tippy toe. Balls of your feet, if you can. Build some balance. Gauge your core. Okay. Last one. Brilliant. Step back. Modify as you need to. We're just going to go here for a minute or so. Bring all your attention into each movement. Come all the way down if you like. Or maybe you just step back. But just do it with ultimate presence. Bring your head up once you're comfortable. Just a couple more of these. Last one for now. Brilliant. Bend. Just nice. You gotta pick something up. Just bend the knees. Breathe in and out. Okay, a little bit of a back bend. We honor every single thing that we do, every movement. So present. You're bending over to pick up the most important thing in the whole world. Oh. Maybe we just bring a little more speed into it. We can go quicker with presence. Also, Sometimes we need to move more quickly. Two more. Right away, just for a moment, come down into a squat hold, as deep as you can go, and hold it. Hold it where you feel a bit of discomfort. When I get into difficult positions sometimes, a mantra I like to use, I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. Where we direct our attention is entirely up to us. We can choose what to focus on. I can focus on the burning of my thighs. Or, I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. We relax into the seat of awareness. That's what yoga is really about. While we build strength here and here, as well as physically. I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. Come on up. Let's shake that out. But at the same time, we're going to move on to the next thing. Build some balance. Core stability. Do this very slowly today. We're really just stretching the leg out as well. And the same thing. Building balance. Maybe I wobble a bit. But what happens if we really direct our attention into the bottom of our foot? So, how's your balance going? You give it so much attention. One more. Other side. Engage your core. I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. Just go with it. Nice and easy. Particularly when we have all those negative thoughts. Self-deprecating. I'm not my body. I'm not my mind. We're the witness of it. Two more. Just some gentle movement. To continue to stretch it out. I'm going to come down. Walk back into a downward dog. And just hold it here for a moment. Stretch out the entirety of your body. Feel it in the back of the legs, your arms, your spine. And just be. If this presents a challenge to you, do what you can. Modify. Honor where you are. Step up. Hang your head down. Feel a stretch in the back of your legs. Rise up. Come into prayer. Arms come up again. Fall down one more time. Just hold it for a moment. Bend your knees as generously as you need to. Hang your head. Come on up. Step out, twist. Step out and twist. Step. Bring all your focus right here, right now. One more. Brilliant. Just hold mountain posture for a moment. Just connect to your breath. Feel the beating of your heart. Take this level of presence into everything you do today. Every time you open a door, you take a step. See what happens when you honor the present moment. Let go of all the inner resistance and just be. Thank you for showing up. Comment, job done. I love to hear your progress. The consistency of discipline is brilliant. Have a brilliant day. See you tomorrow.